We've got page 19 is where we're going to be finishing up some unit conversions, going back through and doing a little bit of review. So again, page 19 for this. Go ahead and get there. We've got first question here. We've got if you have a box that is 58.08 inches wide and you are trying to get it to fit in a space of 1.75 meters, we're going to have to convert. So first we have to find our given, which is 58.08 inches. And again, that 1.75 meters, that's what we're trying to fit it into. So that's just kind of extra information for now until we get to part B. But we want to convert it to meters, which is right here. So to do that, first we're going to have to start with that given, which is 58.08 inches. And then we have to figure out our givens. Those are all at the top there, so go find those. We need inches, and we need to get to meters, so that's going to guide our figuring out the unit factors from up here. First we have inches, and this one has inches here. We also have a second unit factor with inches, so we'll have to figure out which one of those we need. We also have meters for this unit factor here, so we know we're going to use one of the inches and this meters. I'm going to start with the inches to feet because I can kind of in my brain visualize that feet can get me to yards, and then yards is right here, and then yards can get me to meters with this unit factor that we already pointed out. So that's how I'm going to start. Go ahead and set that up. We've got on the bottom, I need to have inches because inches are on top right now. Because inches is on top, I need it on bottom so that it'll cancel. So put inches in. And then because inches is the one side of the unit factor, feet is the other side. So feet is going to go on the top. I've got 12 inches goes with inches, and 1 foot goes with feet. My inches is going to cancel here. That leaves me with the unit of feet. And because I want to get to meters, I know I'm not done yet, so I need to keep going. I've got feet that I'm trying to cancel, so I need feet on bottom right here. Find my unit factor that has feet in it. It's right here. It tells me that yards is what I'll get to using that unit factor, so that means that yards is forced to go on the top. Put yards on top. Then feet had 3 and yards had 1. My feet is going to cancel here because I've got 1 on top, 1 on bottom. Now I'm in yards. Still not to the units that I want, so I'm going to have to keep going at least one more step, but that was kind of what I was expecting here. Find my meters and yards unit factor. I know that yards is going to need to go on bottom, so I put yards on bottom. That puts meters on top. I have 1 yard and 0.9144 meters. Yards is going to cancel. I end up with meters here, which is exactly what I wanted. So we're good to go. Do my calculation. And I get 1.475232 meters. Let's check our significant digits. Got 4 with my given here. This was exact. This was also inexact. And then 0.9144 was measured. It was estimated here, so I can keep 4 total significant digits. The 2 is going to round the 5 to a 5. So my final answer is 1.475 meters. My next question was part B. Remember, always do all the parts. Will the box fit in the space? And the answer is 1.475. That's less than 1.75, which means that 1.475 is going to fit in that space, so yes, it will. Second problem, if you are trying to ship the box to England for your business, they have a shipping charge based on kilograms. If you know the box weighs 4.500 pounds, how much should you expect the shipping to cost? So we've got our unit factors up here at the top. We need to figure out which ones we can use after we get our given. So our given was 4.500 pounds. I know that I need pounds, and I know I need kilograms because that's the needed. So I need pounds on bottom. Go find my unit factor. There's only one that has pounds. That's this one right here. And I know that I need to get to cost, which is dollars. So that's this unit factor. Notice that one is in kilograms and one is in grams. So I also know that because I'm in grams and kilograms, and for my unit factors, I also need a unit factor to get from grams and kilograms. So over on the right, I'm going to put grams equals kilograms, and I'm going to go find on the back of the periodic table how many grams equals how many kilograms. I see, find my prefix unit is kilogram, so kilo equals 1, and then it shows on there that grams equals the 10 to the third for my base unit, which is grams. So now I have all of my unit factors. Go back, I need pounds on the bottom. And because 1 pound, and I've got grams on the other side, so grams goes on top. So I fill that in. My pounds is going to cancel, leaving me in grams. Still have some work to do. Grams is right here. So I've got grams. That's going to need to go on bottom because I want it to cancel. It means that kilograms is going to go on top. It says 10 to the third grams and 1 kilogram, which means grams cancels because that's the way I designed it. And then kilograms, still not quite there yet. So I've got one more step because it wants the shipping to cost, okay? How much is it going to cost to ship this, which is dollars. So I have to use that one last unit factor here. I want kilograms on the bottom. So I put kilograms on bottom, which means the other side of that unit factor is dollars. It said 1 kilogram equals $2.50. Kilograms canceled, and I've got dollars, which is, again, exactly what I wanted. Then I've got to do my calculation. I end up with $5.1075. Check my significant digits. I've got 4 on the given. 454 grams is 1 pound is going to be exact. And then kilograms and grams is exact also. And so that $2.50, that is the estimated one. So 1, 2, 3, I can keep 3 significant digits. So 5, 1, and 0. The 7 is going to round that 0 to a 1, giving me a final answer of $5.11.